Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the Sacramento collection, available in both black and white with two different countertop options. So let's go take a look at that gorgeous collection. You can choose between two elegant colors, white and black. Black is offered in 30, 36, 42, and 48 inches with 2 drawers, and the 60-inch model is offered with 4 drawers, while matte white is available in 2 sizes, 48 inches with 2 drawers and 60 inches with 4 drawers. The drawers in this collection are equipped with a soft closing system for a pleasant daily use experience. Moreover, the integrated handles enhance the minimalist aesthetic of these impeccable pieces of furniture. The sink is pre-drilled to accommodate a single-hole faucet sold separately for a convenient and aesthetic installation. In addition, our vanities have a solid wood construction, painted with a minimum of 6 coats of high-end paint and adjustable feet for proper leveling. Both the black and white Sacramento vanities come with pure white quartz countertops with undermount ceramic sinks. On our website, you can see the options to accompany these vanities, such as the linen cabinet of the Sacramento collection, LED mirrors, bathroom accessory sets, and much more. Removing the drawers from the Sacramento collection vanities is super simple. All you have to do is open the drawer, then you reach underneath, and there's just a couple of clips that you need to press to take it out. It's just as simple as that. To place it back, you just put it back on the rails. Make sure it's properly aligned. Push the rails into the drawers. And that's about it. Feel free to explore the full collection in our 4 stores or on our website goldenelitedeco.com to discover our range of high-quality bathroom products and flooring options.